The California State Bar has initiated proceedings to have former President Donald Trump's one-time attorney, John Eastman, disbarred due to advice he provided to Trump in connection with the 2020 presidential election. The State Bar alleges that following that election, Eastman was developing what they call a dubious legal strategy, which would have kept Trump in power following his election defeat. That strategy included disrupting the counting of the state electoral votes, as well as trying to get Mike Pence to stop the certification of Joe Biden's victory. Eastman is facing 11 disciplinary charges, which could result in him losing his license to practice law in California. The State Bar claims that Eastman violated California's Business and Professions Code by making false and misleading statements that constitute acts of, quote, moral turpitude, dishonesty, and corruption. In Eastman's defense, his attorney Randall A. Miller said that the State Bar's action, quote, is part of a nationwide effort to use the bar discipline process to penalize attorneys who oppose the current administration in the last presidential election. Americans of both political parties should be troubled by this politicization of our nation's state bars. It should be noted that the California State Bar is a regulatory agency and the only court system in the U.S. that is dedicated to attorney discipline. If the State Bar Court decides to disbar Eastman, it is the California Supreme Court that makes the final decision. Christina Corona, NTD News, Los Angeles.